So this is just kind of do a part 2 here. You can see the pump here, and I pump fluid into the fill plug, okay, until I start seeing some of the new fluid start coming out of the drain plug side. So once the fluid came out, I plugged this back in. I just hand tied it for now. So now I'm gonna pump the fluid into there, and I believe from another YouTuber, they say they do 4 quarts. So if you're doing 4 quarts, a quart is pretty much very close to a liter. So I'm not even half a liter yet into it. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I probably have to go all the way down to the bottom level to fill it. So I'm gonna keep filling this guy, keep pumping this guy like this. Keep pumping this guy, and until the fluid level gets to the one liter mark down here. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm sure you don't want to watch me doing this for the next 5 or 10 minutes, because it's not as fast as I hope it would go. But hey, you know what? You know, some people have like an electric pump, whatever, but that probably costs a lot more money. But I'm trying to do it on cheap here, just to show you. So, alright, so I'm going to stop this video while I keep pumping. Alright.